Traditional lead acid and lithium ion have been the go-to option for most types of battery-dependent renewable energy systems. However, as global demand for efficient energy storage increases, new technologies are sought by households, businesses, and contractors worldwide. 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐬 develops new solutions to meet this demand, as found in their 48-volt Lithium-Iron-Phosphate Wall Mount Series. With an energy storage capacity of up to 9.6 kWh, this storage system series features a high cycle life of up to 4,000 for 85% depth of discharge, giving you high capacities for many years. Lithium iron phosphate battery chemistry also gives the benefit of added safety, as it has higher thermal and molecular stability versus other cell cathodes. An embedded battery management system, or BMS, provides the protection services needed for your solar installation's back end. This system measures each cell's current, voltage and temperature level, while also having cut-off mechanisms for low voltage, further extending your battery life. An on-built display screen and external communication protocols, CANBus, RS485 and RS232, allows for access to information provided by the BMS. The storage system series comes in a practical design, with dimensions not exceeding 1 metre, easy to mount on any wall, cabinet or rack. The modules are also stackable and are easily daisy-chained for industrial or commercial systems. No active cooling system is required to keep the product within its operating temperature range of -20 to +60 degrees Celsius. Manufacturing from Dongguan City, Guangdong Galaxy New Energy Technology Company aspires to provide a one-stop service for power supply needs. The company's wide product range of inverters, control systems and lithium-based batteries has served and met the requirements of customers worldwide.